Hey everyone, welcome to our medical grade factory. Red Dot, based in Shenzhen, China, is a leading light therapy manufacturer. For over 14 years, we've been dedicated to developing cutting-edge solutions that enhance people's lives and well-being. We design, manufacture, and distribute a wide range of high-quality red light therapy devices, from at-home devices and beauty tech to sports rehabilitation devices.
Our mission is simple: to improve the lives of our partners, both materially and personally, provide professional light therapy solutions, empowering our customers to become global brands, and achieve high profitability, all while contributing to a healthier society. We believe in innovation, collaboration, and striving for excellence in everything we do. Red Dot's journey has been one of groundbreaking achievements and an unwavering commitment to quality. We're driven by a passion to push the boundaries of what's possible with light therapy.
We offer complete OEM and ODM services and solutions. Work closely with businesses to bring their light therapy ideas to life. Our team of engineers and designers are dedicated to collaborating with our clients every step of the way to ensure smooth integration and fantastic results. And with our top-notch manufacturing facilities and strict quality control, we deliver products that meet the highest standards. Our office is a modern and spacious environment designed for collaboration and innovation. We have a really talented and experienced team across every department, all working together towards our shared goals. Our manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology and machinery, so we can produce efficiently and accurately. We use advanced equipment and tech to maintain the highest levels of quality and precision. Every single product is rigorously tested to ensure it performs at its best and that it's safe and reliable. The end result: beautifully designed, carefully crafted products that are both functional and stylish. And with our global network of distributors and partners, we're reaching customers worldwide. We offer a wide variety of products to meet all sorts of needs, from everyday use at home to professional settings. Our dedication to quality and innovation has even earned us a number of patents and certifications.
At Red Dot, we are committed to setting the standard for quality and innovation in the light therapy industry.
We provide a complete solution, from developing and manufacturing the product to branding and marketing support. Our team is our biggest asset. They're passionate people who are dedicated to making a difference. We're committed to providing our customers with the best products and services. Our customer-focused approach and flexible solutions have made us a trusted partner for businesses all.
The light therapy market is growing fast, and we're right there on the leading edge. Our vision is to keep innovating, to become a leader in the industry, and to build a happy, respected company that lasts for generations. Join us as we light the way for a healthier, brighter future.